The photonics market is a domain that can answer a lot of issues that we have with energy consumption, like in telecommunication, data center, and etc. We have a lot of know-how here in Europe. It's why it's really important for us to understand what's happened around us in Europe and in Switzerland. And I guess we have a chance with the CHIP Act in Europe to keep this knowledge and this know-how in our area. So for Ciposa, we can bring some solution with automation to this domain, so we have to find the right way to do it. Today we are quite comfortable with micro assembly. Maybe tomorrow we can be in nano assembly.